Hi guys, how can you create a color outline stroke effect in Photoshop like this? First select rectangle tool, then go to select subject to select your main subject. Now go to select modify expand. Set the expand value to around 15 pixels, then press OK.
Right-click on the selection and choose Make Work Path. Set the tolerance to 2.0, then press OK. Now select the pen tool and make sure the mode is set to path in setting. Select the shape, and then in setting also select shape from path.
Set the stroke size to around 5 to 6 points, for example, 5.7 points. You can also choose the stroke style you like from the options. Now to add color, open the blending options. Enable stroke. Choose any color you like, for example yellow or green. And set the position to inside. Adjust the size to around 80 to 90 pixels for as you like. You can also experiment with blending modes like linear dodge for a brighter effect. Press OK. Now adjust the stroke size and position if needed. And that's it. This is how you can create a color outline effect in Photoshop.